AI code leaks. The AI writes code that runs. Runs doesn't mean safe. The difference is three holes it leaves by default. First, the database queries. The model glues a query together from raw strings, and anyone can drop that through a login form and pull your whole table. That's injection. The trick is 30 years old, yet it gets generated fresh every single day. Second, secrets right in the code. Your token and the database password get written into a file that ships straight to Git. The model has no idea it's supposed to hide them. Third, the dependencies. It pulls library versions with holes that were found and documented years ago. The code is working and full of holes at the same time. The AI optimizes for it runs, not it won't get hacked. That part is on you. And to check your whole project at once, comment the word audit below. I'll send 2 skills for Claude Code and Cursor. One finds the holes in your server and code, the other locks them out of new projects.